Manufactured at FloPlast's UK production facility in Sittingbourne, Kent, the FloFit Plus range is BSI Kitemarked to BS7291, parts 1, 2 and 3, and fully WRAS certified for use with both plastic and copper pipe. All of the range, including the pipe, which is available in both polybutylene and PEX material, boasts FloPlast's longest ever guarantee of 50 years. FloPlast's research and development team have spent the past 5 years creating the all-new FloFit Plus hot and cold plumbing system. Fully demountable, the FloFit Plus range is lightweight and easy to handle, whilst remaining incredibly strong and durable. The fittings and pipe are available in 4 sizes, 10, 15, 22 and 28 mm. FloFit Plus is suitable for both domestic and small commercial hot and cold water installations, including central heating systems for both pressurised, unvented and combi vented systems. To install the product, the first thing you need to do is measure and mark the required length of pipe. Once marked, cut the pipe using an appropriate pipe cutter. It is important not to use a hacksaw for this task. To ensure a good fitting, make sure to check the cut pipe is free from imperfections. Fit the pipe insert into the pipe, ensuring it is fully inserted. Next, measure and mark the correct insertion depth on the pipe. Insert the pipe into the fitting, ensuring it passes through the O-ring until it reaches the stop point and correct insertion depth. Check the assembly is secure by pulling the pipe away from the fitting. The final optional stage is to replace the standard white collet clip with either a red or blue collet clip to identify hot and cold water circuits. When installing the pipe to a brass compression fitting, to begin with, remove the nut. You then need to remove the brass olive. Note that to connect to a brass copper fitting, a soft copper olive must be used. Within the brass fitting, replace with the soft copper olive. Fit the pipe insert into the pipe, ensuring it is fully inserted. Now push the pipe into the compression fitting. Finally, ensure the nut is sufficiently tightened using a suitable tool. For copper pipe installation, as with plastic pipe, measure and mark the required length. Cut the copper pipe using a rotational pipe cutter. Again, do not use a hacksaw. To reduce the risk of leaks, ensure you remove any burrs or swarf. After marking the pipe with the correct insertion depth, insert the pipe into the fitting, ensuring it passes through the O-ring until it reaches the stop point and correct insertion depth. Check the assembly is secure by pulling the pipe away from the fitting. Please note, FloFit Plus should not be used with chrome-plated or plated pipes. When it comes to demounting the FloFit Plus system, you first need to remove the collet clip and loosen the cap on the fitting. Pull the pipe back slightly, then push the collet face towards the body of the fitting. No tools should be required to dismantle FloFit Plus fittings.